Hi, it's Kana. Welcome back to my closet. I am here to update you for my whole collection project 10 uses now instead of 10 pan, but it's like a hybrid of the whole collection project pan and the project 10 uses. Well, let's get into the update because it's exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the things I've used the least amount of times, and we're gonna go to the most. So let's see. So the thing I've used the least is actually this this Inglot eyeshadow 345 right here. And I haven't used it at all. So not for this project. So that is at 0 uses. So we'll just go ahead and not even talk about that. And next is the Butter London Ruby Murray nail polish. I have used this twice. I know. I'm bad at painting my nails. It's okay. It'll get there. So 2 times, it's staying in. Okay, next is the Lancome Dual Finish Powder, and this is in 130 Porcelain Ivory. I have used this a total of 3 times. I used it once since the last update. So yeah. It's staying in. Okay, next is an item that I no longer own because I decluttered it. It is the Lime Crime Software Cream Blush in Firewall. So yeah, it was too difficult to work with and I ended up decluttering it. I used it 5 times total and I had not used it since the last update. The next item was this LA Splash Classic Horror Cyrene liquid lipstick. I have used this a total of 7 times. I used it 3 times since the last update. Okay, the next item was this Stila Aqua Glow foundation in the shade Light. I used this 8 times and 2 of those were this since the last update. So 2 more times. I really love this. It's my favorite with a damp sponge. But yeah, it's beautiful. I love this. I just have been using a mixture of different things, so I've been jumping around. So I enjoy using it. I'll knock it out here pretty quick. No problem. Okay, this next item really surprised me. It is the Viseart Dark Mattes, and I actually used this 9 times. I know. I used these ones today for this crazy smoky eye, which I really loved until my eyes started watering, but I have to use this one more time, so it stays. I'm not mad about it. Okay, now we're getting to the fun stuff. This is the Too Faced Crystal Whipped Liquid Eyeshadow, and it is in the shade It's Lit. You can probably see that I'm making some good progress in there. I have used this 10 times. So I used it 2 more times and then stopped using it because I have so many eyeshadows in projects. But yeah, I used this 10 times, 2 since the last update, and it will be rolling out. That is exciting. So the next item was this MAC Powder Kiss lipstick, and this is in the shade Mandarin O. I really love this. I have worn it 10 times. You can probably even maybe see at least that it's been used because it was brand new, so you can kind of see there the angle has changed. I wore this 10 times and I have worn it 3 times since the last update, and I'm going to be rolling this one out too. Yay! Okay, next is an item that I don't have. I'll try to pop a picture up here of it, but it is currently stuck in my chair. It's a like theater seating situation, so it dropped down in between my side and the console, and it's sitting in between like the metal mechanisms and I cannot reach it. So I asked my husband to get it for me, but I guess he forgot, so it's still down there, and I tried again today and I could not get it out. But I did use that lipstick 11 times, 6 times since the last update. It's the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Rowdy. is a perfect nude. I absolutely loved it. It was so easy to use. I just had a lot of lipsticks going on, or I would have used it even more, but I did use it 11 times total. Like I said, 6 of those since the last update, and that will be rolling out. Okay, so that is 3 products that I've used at least 10 times, and 1 that I used 5 times and decluttered. So we get to roll 4 new products in. Let's hope it's not 4 eyeshadows. Let me get my deal here. I did just get some new items and they're not in here yet, but that's okay. I'll add them in next time. We're gonna roll 4 items. So it's gonna be from 2 to 822. Okay, so 2 to 822. We got 238, 173, 151, and 379. Let me see what those are. Okay, 238 is an item that's already in a project, but since it's a 10 uses thing, I'll just use it to go ahead and boost it. So I'll do that. It is the Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Pencil in Earthquake. It's a brown eyeliner. This is in my Drop 10 before summer, so it'll just make me use it more. So there's that. Next was 173. Oh my gosh, what is happening? It's fine. I've actually used this next product. It's in my unicorn project pan, and I have used it the allotted time for this month, so now I'll have to use it 10 more times. And that is my OFG Cosmetics Unicorn Horn Highlighter. It looks like this. Super cute. So yeah, I'm really wearing off the little heart imprint, so that's really cool. But yeah, I'll use this 10 more times. Okay. It's just a bunch of repeats. 151. Ooh, okay. Let me go get that. Okay, the next item I got was a Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Highlighter, I think they're called. Yes, pressed highlighter in Rose Quartz. So this is brand new. It came in like, it was like the macarons set for like, I don't know, 2018, 2019, I'm not sure. So that is what that looks like. I don't even know if you can see it, but it's pretty. So I'll be using this 10 times. What's my next one? Okay, 379. Okay, 379 is one of these. It's this one. Keep rolling eyeshadows, I'm telling you. Okay, so it is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Contour Palette in Smoke. It's really pretty, cool toned, neutral palette. So yeah, I've had them for a while and I want to make sure that they are not, I want to make sure that they're performing well still, because they're kind of old, you know? So yeah, Smoke. Another eyeshadow palette. Okay, so that is 4 new roll-ins. I'm super excited. Actually, it's kind of weird that I got these two because they're already in projects. Out of everything I could have rolled, I got these, but I will use them 10 times. It will just add to the usage for the other projects. It's fine. I'm supposed to be finishing the pencil off completely, so it'll just help me to be motivated. But let me talk about what I think I'll be finished with by next time. Okay, obviously I can use this 2 more times. That'll be super easy. I only have to use this 3 more times and I love it, so that'll be done. Oh, super easy. I have to use it 1 more time. So this is gonna take me a while. I just don't wear powder foundations very often. This is gonna take me a while because I have a lot of eyeshadows going on and I haven't used it at all yet. So that's gonna be a little while. What else? Oh, This might be in here for the whole year, but that's okay. I'm gonna use it 10 times. I'm at 2, I have 8 more. I definitely can't use this 8 times before the next update, so you'll see this again. So yeah, all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave some videos up here for you guys to watch if you're interested. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. I do love talking to you guys, and I will see y'all later. Bye.